In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fully automate text messages with GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll have a hands-free system that sends the right message at the right time. First, open your browser, go to the official GoHighLevel website, and sign into your account to land on the main dashboard. If you're using GoHighLevel via a browser and need the link, you can find the official website link at the top of the description. From the left-hand menu, click Automations. This is your control center for anything that runs on autopilot. Choose Create Workflow. You can start from scratch if you know exactly what you want, or pick a template to speed things up and then tweak it to fit your process. Next, add the event that kicks everything off. Click Add Trigger and choose what should start the automation, like a form submission or a new contact being added. Think about when you want text to go out, right away after someone opts in, or only for certain contact types. Configure the trigger conditions so the workflow runs only when it should. Set filters, add any necessary constraints, and then click Save Trigger to lock it in. Now it's time to send a text. Click plus add action and select Send SMS. In the SMS editor, write a clear, concise message with one goal per text. Keep it friendly, include a simple call to action, and avoid long links or walls of text. Make your message feel personal. Use custom fields such as by contact.name and by contact.phone to pull in each person's details automatically. This increases engagement without you lifting a finger. If you plan to send more than one message, space them out. Click plus add action, choose, wait, and set the delay between texts, minutes, hours, or days, so you're helpful without being overwhelming. Build out a sequence by repeating the SMS action for each follow-up you want to send. Stay consistent in tone and timing to guide contacts toward the next step. When everything looks good, publish your work. Click Publish or Turn On to activate the workflow. Finally, test it end-to-end. Manually trigger the workflow and confirm that messages arrive as expected. Check personalization, timing, and links, and make any quick edits if needed. Send messages only to contacts who have opted in and keep your copy compliant with local regulations. That's it for setting up fully automated text messages in GoHighLevel. Thanks for watching.